It's a deer hunting, so we are on a flat land. We will start, and we need to snipe the six deer. We fired one per one bullet for one deer. Okay, he's just standing. We will hit. It's done. Where and another one. This one is also done. Okay, so where are you going? Just standing. Did it? This one is a fifth one. Why are you running too much fast? Okay, we have a one. Where is one? We need to find where, please. Okay, we are looking. He is there. So next, our is the next like a parrot gobble. So we need to have a 7 deer, and we have a how much? 5. We have a 7 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we find it. We will start from here. Okay, hit on his neck. It's okay. There is blow one more. It's done. And this one is standing. First we will hit that are just only in a stand mode. Okay, this one is a fourth one. Why it's not moving to? Okay, we will just hit on his. It's done. Okay, so we don't want to waste any bullet, otherwise we cannot complete this mission. We have 2 bullet and 2 deer. Just please little bit slow. It's done. One. There is only one. Mission is completed, and we got some cash, 190 plus, and 7 deer hunted. Now we will go to the next stage, level 4 2. We have a 9 bullet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bullet and 9 deer. We will start from, first of all we will look where they are standing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I saw one is done. So it's done. The second is also done. This one is standing. There is on the upside little bit. Okay, there are 2 more are standing. Just only we will hit this one. Okay, so there is one more. Please don't run away. We have 4. They are in a running, and we have 4 bullet and 4 deer. It's done. Sometimes if we the bullet is miss, we cannot hunt. Then complete this game. This one. Okay, we have a 2 and 2 bullet. So let's try to complete. Please come back. I will hit you when you will on my score. Very well. Okay, this one is standing. It's done. So we have a 1 deer and it's the 1 bullet. So please come on my scope. Okay. So the thing is, we have completed the 9 deer, hunted 9, and we have some got the price to $30+, and we have a 9 deer, and we will hunt each of them with the 9 bullets. The first one is done. We will hit this one, and 2 is done. This one, and we will try to, this one. Okay, so we have like now 5, 1 2 3 4, and one is there. I don't know, one is okay. Please just little bit slow. Okay, it's too fast. Give some time. When he will stop, then we will target this one. And we have 3, and this one is done. He's walking. I just hit him. There is like one is just running with too much fast, and there is one. So let's he just stop. Okay, so there is one. Oh, he is just outside of